Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. To get more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's start our video. In today's video, we will discuss how to write an effective proposal to win projects on Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, let's start our video. Now the first question is how to get projects on Fiverr. You can get projects on Fiverr in two ways. First of all, direct order through gig, and second option is sending offer to buyer request. In this video, we will discuss what is buyer request, how to get order by sending proposal to buyer request, what is a proposal, and how to write an effective proposal to get order. Now first of all, what is buyer request? On Fiverr, there are two kinds of people. One is buyer and the second is seller. Seller means you people. A buyer comes to Fiverr and instead of searching for services, he places his project with budget and deadline. It is called buyer request. Now, the seller will see this buyer request and bid on it. Bid means seller will send a proposal to win that project. Now, important thing about the buy request is it won't appear every time. There are specific timings in which you can see buy request. Don't worry, I will share the timings of buy request in this video. It disappears when you refresh the page, so be quick while sending a buyer request. Now, where you can see the buy request option, go to your Fiverr dashboard and click on more and then on the buy requests, and you will start seeing buy request. But you will only see buy request if you have chosen a proper category and subcategory while creating a gig. Otherwise you won't get buy requests. Now let's come to our main point. What is a proposal? An offer that you send to buy request is called proposal. A proposal can help you to win project, so it should be eye-catchy and effective. Now let's discuss the contents of a proposal. A proposal must consist of greetings, your experience, discuss project requirements, and final words. Make sure that you have all these four contents covered in your proposal. Then you might have a good chance to win a project on Fiverr and Upwork. Let's start with our first point, greeting. Start your proposal with words like hi, hello. Don't say good morning or good night because most of the times client will be from different countries. It is better to write name of buyer, but you won't see name of buyer while sending request from laptop. However, if you are sending a proposal through mobile, you can see the name of buyer. So if you know his or her name, then it can leave a good impact on buyer. Let's say hi George, hi Alan. Call with his or her name. Okay, now next you will write I hope you are well and doing good. I have read your project requirements and I am glad to let you know that I am perfect one for this job, etc. It will be your greeting part and starting of your proposal. Now move to your experience part, that is the second part. In this second part, you will tell about your experience related to clients' projects. Let's say I am a content writer and I have been doing this since 2016. I have written high quality content for more than 100 customers. I believe that my content can help you to achieve your goals. Second part, now discuss third part, which is about project requirement. You are looking for a technology related art writer and you want your project to be done within 24 hours. I can do this in less than 24 hours. Now in this portion you are discussing the requirements of clients. It will help you, it will leave a good impression and can let the client know that you understand his or her project requirements and you are the perfect one for this job. Next one. Moreover, I can offer you some discount as well. It is important for you as a beginner to offer some discount because you don't have reviews on your profile. When you can offer some discount, it can help you to win projects. Okay, if client is looking for 700 words in $5, you can offer him 1000 words in $5. This discount can help you to win project. Always offer something for free or extra at the start to win projects. I hope it is clear now. Now let's move to our next slide. Final words. It is our fourth part in our proposal. Now you will conclude your proposal. You can write looking forward to hear from you soon. You can text me for further discussion about this project, and thanks. Regards, your Fiverr username. Let's say Noman writer, etc. Whatever your username is, you can write here. Now the question is, buyer request will disappear after a minute or so. Then how can we write proposal quickly? The best solution is to write a few sample proposal according to your service, so that when you see a buyer request, you can apply on that project by making just a few changes according to the client's project requirements. In this way, you can win project easily. If you want to get projects, then send buyer requests daily. Otherwise, Fiverr will stop to show buyer request. At least send 1 or 2 buyer requests daily. It will help you to win project. Okay, let's move to our next slide. Here it is a sample proposal. Your proposal should look like this. It is not important to follow this. I have provided you the content how to write a proposal. You can write accordingly. It's just a sample proposal you can for your understanding. Hi Alan, I have thoroughly read your job description and I believe that I can do this job in the best way as it fits with my interest. I have an experience of more than 3 years. Now you come to your second part, experience part. More than 3 years in this field, and I can do this in a much better way according to your expectations and requirements. I will write a unique and engaging content which will help your business to grow. Okay. Now you can describe your service briefly. I will provide creative, unique and SEO friendly content free from grammatical mistakes, focus keywords according to your requirements, and free unlimited revisions. Moreover, I will provide you free 100 words sample to prove my writing skills. I can share my portfolio work with you in the inbox. Thank you. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. And your final words after that. Regards, your Fiverr profile username. Now, as I promised earlier, I will tell you the timings of buy requests on Fiverr. So these are the timings. Listen, you will not get buy request on these every day. Okay, every time. So keep checking your Fiverr profile for buy requests. You can see buy requests mostly during these timings: 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the morning, then 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the afternoon, 7 p.m. to 8:30 in the evening, and then 9 p.m. to 9:25 p.m. in the evening, and 10:45 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Moreover, if you really want to earn online, try to stay online most of the time. It is the trick to earn money online. I will share the importance of staying online in my coming videos. So my next video will be about importance of tags while creating a gig, how to choose effective tags, and how tags can help to win projects. For more interesting and informative videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay blessed. So see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.